Hi everyone, this is Adafashmi, your teacher, and today I am here for another grammar topic that's very important from an examination point of view. First, I'll define a phrase and then explain adjective and adverb phrases one by one. Let's dive into the topic. A phrase is a group of words that works together in a sentence but doesn't contain a subject or a verb. And now the question is how to identify a phrase. If we see a combination of two or more words that can take the role of a noun or a verb in a sentence, we call it a phrase. For example, the man with the red jacket is my father. With the red jacket is a group of words or a phrase explaining a noun, the man. Similarly, in this sentence, the girl jumped up and down. Up and down is a group of words or a phrase that is describing the verb jumped. And now we will talk about adjective phrases. An adjective phrase is a phrase that does the work of an adjective. For example, I like to see a smiling face. In this sentence, smiling is an adjective. I like to see a face with a smile on it. In this sentence, with a smile is an adjective phrase. And an adverb phrase is a phrase that does the work of an adverb. For example, Ali ran quickly. In this sentence, quickly is an adverb. Ali ran at a great speed. In this sentence, at a great speed is an adverb phrase that plays the role of the adverb quickly. Let's take some learning check. It's activity A given at page number 87 of your textbooks. The underlined group of words are adjective phrases. You have to replace them with an adjective. For example, the first underlined group of words is made of silk. Made of silk can be called silk. Silk is an adjective because it describes the texture of the turban. By following the same pattern, you will complete the remaining activity. It's activity B given at page number 87 of your textbooks. The underlined words are adverbs. You have to replace them with adverb phrases. For example, in the first example, swiftly is underlined. Swiftly is an adverb which means at a great speed. By following the same pattern, complete the remaining activity. Keep learning, keep enjoying. Subscribe and ding the bell to get notified. Thank you.